Fresh for the ferry, G?
Yeah, I just got a call from Chase. They're 20 minutes away. They've come down from Auckland to Wellington in one day. And then tomorrow we head down to Burt Munro. Yeah, they're here.
Just made it down here to the Kapiti coast at Cyrus's workshop, Rolling Straight. It's nice of him to host us. So myself and Chase from Chase and Cycles are staying down here. That's our accommodation. Yeah, brother. Had a jam on the little grom. Didn't take us long to get down here either. It's just gone 3 o'clock. Sup, G?
Welcome to Rolling Straight, where the magic happens, baby.
Yo. Take your t-shirt off and do it, bro.
Make sure you get that fucking Ferrari in there too, brother.
Is that yours, G? Yeah.
Alright, giveaway time. A Rolling Straight tee is up for grabs. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, and drop us a comment. Winner to be announced in the next episode. That's how you really learn to get on balance point, eh? When you put the one foot down.
You're not even putting really a foot on the ground too, though, eh? It's like fucking just evening out that weight a little bit more.
Yeah.
I reckon as soon as you can adjust your weight from that, you'll be sweet, you know? No, don't take my word for it.
Huh? Nah, it's all good. That's quick, eh? Yeah. Your heart's racing, bro. Look at that, man. The bro's doing bunny hops off the speed bump, G. The boys are off to the quest. They're gonna do one night and they've got a ferry before us. Kane and Chase sleeping at the shop tonight, and this is the sleeping arrangement. This is where the bro's going to be sleeping tonight.
Good
Are
to
you
go.
already tested out, bro?
No, it's good.
Is it?
This one?
Blue one, yeah.
Fuck, I'm starving. Go get some. Gee, that's us today. Tonight.
Oh, you reckon you can sleep there? You can sleep there?
Easy, bro. Don't put your fucking legs on me, though, eh?
Alright, let's go.
Oh, hell no.
The boys are hungry, so we're going to take the Mark II for a little Saturday cruise. You can take the boy out of West Auckland, but you can't take the West out of the boy.
Is that 91?
95.
Is that 91?
Oh, I love 1J!
We're in the Bros Jay-Z that he built. Mark II. We're just heading to the waterfront. Bro Kane in the back.
Yo.
Check out this whānau.
There's Kapiti Island there, bro.
Look at the weather, putting it on for Burt Munro. Is that what it runs off?
Bro, these new ECUs, bro, they got Bluetooth, so you can run it like that, and then you've got your gauges for oil, temp, boost.
She got a feed.
Blue car first, nigga. Rich rolling from the dirt, just banging my turf like red inside. Gold on my neck fat, gun case catch that. This neighborhood I rep that. Bus is Bill Cat.
Sorry, guys.
Brakes are good.
Oh, the brakes work?
Forgot I was in a car, bro. I thought we were in a fucking Harley, bro.
Going for that gap, AG.
Go for the gap. So if you go down to here, bro, you got like... There's like launch control here. Launch control.
So this is the waterfront, is it?
Yeah, bro, waterfront. They got good seafood chowder here, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Favorite.
Do they do steak?
Yeah. They do big ponies as well.
Gee. Do they do lion red?
Fuck, I wish.
Yeah, right. Fuck up the whole trip, eh?
Straight away, this is the ferry.
Yeah, foot. And
This is the best place to eat on the Kapiti Coast, or one of my favourite places. As you can see in the backdrop there, we've got the beautiful Kapiti Island. Believe it or not, they used to use that as a whaling station, and They burnt all the trees and everything. As you can see, it's slowly growing back. And there's now kiwis and NZ native birds situated on there.
Hey, fuck.
Nah, that's a yellowfin.
Are you sure?
Yes, thank you.
Yellowfins have the yellow on their tail though.
Yeah, no, I reckon it's
Let's have a look.
different.
brothers.
The bro's on holiday time.
No.
He's drinking. Good. Alright, Beefburg.
Yes, thank you. Cheers, boss.
No worries. Calamari.
Cards. Send this to Stephen.
And the green mussels.
Ah, yeah, thanks. Sweet. Cheers, boss. Go hard on these ones, please.
About steak. What's dreaming about steak fucking since we left Subway?
Seafood chowder, baby.
What do you got?
Beef burger cuts and some mussels.
So what's your honest opinion on your mussels and what else did you have, bro?
Beef burger.
Beef burger, how was that?
Very good. Everything was amazing.
Yeah. So we've just had our dinner. Gonna shoot back to the shop, grab our bikes, maybe give them a wash and go for a bit of a cruise.
Windy. The good old west coast.
Crossing the water over there. See that water over there? Straight ahead. Picton. Tell us about this build, bro. Like, I see you got a grudge box Baker transmission on there. How's that? Does that miss gears? Does it fucking false neutral? Tell me about that.
Yeah, it does false neutral a couple times. Yeah, no,
They
it's
all
good,
do
bro.
that.
So 40% more ratio, 40% wider. At cruising speed 250 RPM lower, so you get better fuel economy. Did a
Got LNS on there. You got the FXRT fairing.
so originally 114 because it's a 2020.
Yep.
And then I put, I decked the heads and did a 117, barrels and pistons.
Yep.
But the heads are stock. All I've done is squeeze the heads a touch,
Yeah.
30 thou head gasket.
And what about the throttle body on there?
No, just 55 mil and then 6.2 injectors.
Yep.
With the alloy art, big fucking heavy breather.
This alloy art
Something different, bro. I
looks
wanted to
pretty
change
cool,
it up.
and it looks like it doesn't stick out too much to smash your knee on there. It looks
Yeah, it's
pretty-
actually not too bad.
Pretty good. Nice. And then what do you got on here? You got a rolling straight crash belt?
Yeah, that's
Of
the
course.
cheapest thing on the bike.
What cam you got?
Secret.
Secret?
Nah, it's a rocket cam actually, 474.
Yeah. And you're really liking this cam, eh? The
Yeah, it's like-
485 is usually your go-to.
Yeah, I'm just testing something out. It's more mid to high horsepower. And
Right.
look, the most important thing up here,
Oh,
bro.
yeah,
Look at
yeah,
this.
Yeah.
The rolling straight bag.
Rolling straight bag. These are coming in stock probably about a month time, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Gives a start up for the viewers, lad. Hold start. New Metzler tire on the rear, see? Yep, nice, ready to roll. And yeah, this is Kane's bike over here. Tell us about this, Kane. Obviously, your concrete cutter.
Yeah, brother, concrete cutter, core driller, concrete scanner.
Mean. He's your man if you guys need your concrete cut. You got the SBC exhaust on there, bro. Is that the big boy?
The works edition, yeah, bro.
Oh.
Left the heat shield off, bro, just so you can see the welds.
Fuck the heat shield.
Nice, eh?
Yeah. Is there a cam on this?
Looks better without the heat shield.
565 Cyclerama.
How does that go?
That's good. Yeah, 15 horsepower more, same torque.
Yeah.
That's good.
What torque's that?
138, I think it was. Yeah.
Oh yeah, nice. And he's got obviously this is a kickflip Lapierre, I think.
Tail whip, yeah.
The tail whip.
Look
Yeah.
at your Teddy.
Yeah.
Didn't get too dirty on the way down. Did a couple of roadworks, eh? A little bit of stone chip.
Big fucking stones, bro.
Oh no, that was already there. Eh?
No, you did that.
just got new Cardos, the Cardo Neon.
Hold it for like 3 seconds.
Yeah.
You'll be able to hear it.
Grouping initiated.
It's searching for group.
Now what?
Yo, yo.
So L's. Yours is on.
Huh?
Now just
I can
push
hear
your
you.
one once.
I think you
So wait,
hold it.
What do we have to do?
This top one, hold it down for 3 seconds.
Grouping failed.
This cunt knows, eh? 1, 2.
Oh, it initiated.
Yeah, initiated.
Hello, hello, hello.
Yo.
Now,
All on the Cardos now. We're gonna go for a little burn
Whoa.
up to the Paikokariki lookout.
Holy shit. We almost had an accident here. South Island baby on ways. Let's go.